Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have make one movie ticket API, booking API, for understanding the transaction management in Spring Boot. Firstly, we have to understand what is transaction, how is management in Spring Boot. So we can understand better by using slide. This is slide, guys. When assume that one user will be come to the movie ticket booking application, so booking the movie ticket. So firstly he will enter name, name, movie date and ticket price, and after that he will making the payment. In assume that we have user will be entering some data of the his name, email, and after that he will making payment. Because of some bank server issue or any account balance issue, payment will be not happen. Then what is the need of the our movie ticket info? It will be waste of the our database memory. So we cannot store the movie ticket info. If payment will be successful, then only we have save in the movie ticket info. So this example we have making one application from scratch to movie ticket API, and we have understand the what is the transaction and what is the need of transaction management in our Spring Boot application. So watch this video till end so you can understand the what is the transaction management in our Spring Boot. And we have creating scratch level movie ticket application API. One API we have, basic API we have creating. So you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press a bell icon. Without wasting any time, we have going to our Eclipse idea and create the project and start the coding. Okay guys, we have opening our Eclipse idea. So it is our Eclipse idea, guys. Now we have creating one brand new project. So firstly we have creating one brand new project. So we can give new Spring Starter project. Inside Spring Starter project we have giving name like okay, and package name like movie ticket. Okay, and description will be same for that our project name, and package name same will be our group name. Okay, then we have using the Maven project, and Java version we have need later we have changed. Then we have create the project, and inside project we have need the three dependency: Spring Web dependency, and JPA dependency, and MySQL driver dependency. Okay, three dependency we have need, and we have create the project. Okay guys, the project is creating project is created, guys. Then we have to make some changes in our pom.xml file. Inside pom.xml we have making some changes, like we have downgrade our Spring Boot version. We have using 2.4.1 version, and we have using the Java 1.8, because in my local system I am installing Java 1.8. okay, then we have to save this, and inside this we have to use the dependency like MySQL and MySQL connector.java. okay, this is some minor changes, guys, we have making, and we have to save this. Then dependency downloading, guys, required dependency downloading. Okay, our project is downloaded, and now we have our project is created, guys. Then we have to configure our application properties file. Then we have to opening my application properties file here. Where is my main file? So I am refreshing that. Okay, it's downloading, dependency downloading still now. So we are writing some configuration. Guys, our configuration will complete, guys. Then we have to, here we can create one schema. Then we have opening the database, and we have creating the create database, and we have creating one schema. Okay, schema is created, guys. Then we have to make the default schema. Use transaction management. Okay, we have creating the default schema. Okay, guys, then our configuration is completed, guys. Then we have to create some packages for our code. So firstly we have create package for entity dot, we have creating package, guys. So firstly we have create package like dot entity. Then second package will be that controller. Second package, we have not creating class, we have creating package dot controller. Okay, third package will be that service dot service. Okay, fourth package will be that repository dot repository. And fourth package will be that we have need some DTO class, data transfer object. So we have created that DTO object. And second we have creating one package for utility. Some common code we have stored in utility, UI TILITY utility utility. Okay, then we have one exception class. We are handling an exception in that exception class dot except CEP exception class. One typo mistake, so we can change this refactor except CEP TION exception. Okay, we have made changes of that. Okay, our package structure is ready, guys. Then we have create two entities. So first we have create entity like, we have firstly create entity like ticket info. Okay, ticket info. Okay, this is our entity, guys. Then here inside the ticket info entity we have saving some fields like name, movie email address, like this. So firstly we have giving the annotation like @entity. This is the entity, guys. And second thing will be that generated value, no, table. We have giving the name of table like TICKET info. Okay, then we have to import this to java.x.persistent. Okay, then we have adding some tags for our ticket info class. So firstly we have entity class private long id. This will our primary key, guys. Then we have @id. Okay, then second thing will be that we have to at a generated value, we have using the generated value automatically. So we have using the generated value annotation, guys. So second tag will be that private string name, the username. Then private string email. Third will be email. Fourth will be string, private string, movie name. Okay, then the second will be date. So date like movie date. Okay, inside that we have to import from java.utility package, but we can't send the user not send the exact date format, so we can define which format we have to send. So here we can give one annotation like @JSON format, JSON format, and we have giving shape like JSON format, dot shape dot string, and here we can give the pattern. Pattern like we have giving pattern like dd mm y. Okay, then check JSON format. Okay, this is the our configuration, guys, for sending date in the string format. Okay, then last will be that we have to movie time. So we have giving the string movie time. Okay, string movie time. Okay, then last will be movie ticket price. So it will be double ticket price. Okay, this is the our movie info information, guys. So we can create our getter, setter, and toString method. So firstly we have giving the source, getter, setter, and toString method. Okay, okay, this is enough, guys. Then we have to create another entity for the our payment info. So we have creating payment info. Okay, inside payment info we have classes like, firstly we have make the entity, and then we have to giving the annotation like table, and name will be that payment info. Okay, then we have to like id @generated value. Firstly we have defined one primary key, so we can define the private string payment id, private string account number, private double amount, private string card type, and private long ticket id. Okay, this is our 5 fields, guys. Then we have to define as a this is auto generated. Then we have to implement some UUID generation type. So we can define here @generated value, and we can define generator like UUID2. Okay, and then we have to giving the generation strategy. Okay, then we have to giving like generated generic generic generator like name like uid 2, and we have giving like strategy like org dot hibernate net dot id dot uid generator. Okay, here you can create this. Okay, then we have create our getter setter and toString method. Okay guys, our entity class will be completed guys. Then we have to create one DTO class. Okay, inside tutorial class we have creating firstly request, which request we have coming from our front end. So we can creating like ticket movie ticket request, and inside this we have, this is not entity class guys, this is basically our DTO class, data transfer object class. So here we can give the private ticket info, private payment info, and here we can create our getter setter, source generate getter setter, and our toString method, source toString method. Okay, this is created guys. Then we have to create another DTO for our acknowledgement. Okay, so, okay, then we have giving the movie ticket acknowledgement. Okay, movie ticket acknowledgement, and here you can give the our means once ticket will be confirmed, then we have giving the acknowledgement for the user. So we can give the private string status, private string total fare, private string PRN number. Once ticket will be confirmed, then PRN number will be generated guys, PRN number. Then we have to private, we have given the private ticket info, we are giving the ticket info object. Okay, that's all guys. Then here we can create one our constructor guys. So we can create like constructor using field, and also we have create getter setter for that. Enter getter setter and generate toString also. Okay, our entity and DTO class will be completed guys. Then we have to create repository classes guys. Then firstly we have create repository class for the new interface for the our payment info, repo. Okay, and we have extend the JPA repository, and here we can give the our entity class name. Then we have giving the payment info, and here we can give the log. Okay, then second repository we have required like ticket info repo. Okay, ticket info, some typo, ticket info repo. Okay, then it will be also extend from JPA repository. JPA repository. If you not visible, then we have to, okay, this is visible now. Then we have to giving the ticket info. and here we can give the entity primary key name string. Okay, that's all guys. Then we have to start from the our controller layer. Firstly we have create controller layer, then we have to go into the service layer, and after going to the service layer we will go into the repository layer. So firstly we have create controller layer. Inside controller class, where is the controller class? Here inside controller class we have creating like movie ticket. Okay, movie ticket controller is created guys. Now here we can give the annotation like rest controller. Okay, we have annotated rest controller, and here we can give the method like, firstly we have auto-wire our service class. Okay, then movie kit service. Okay, then we have to create this class. So we can create this class firstly inside our service class. Okay, this is class. Then we have annotated at the rate service annotation. This is main class guys. This is main business logic class. So we can write code in our business logic. Okay guys. Then here we can require two repository. So we can auto-wire that repository. Firstly, auto-wire ticket info repo ticket info repo, and our auto-wire like payment info repo. Okay, then second thing will be that we have create one method like public, and second will be that movie ticket acknowledgement. We have returning the movie ticket acknowledgement class, movie ticket acknowledgement, and we have creating like method like creating book movie ticket. Okay, and here you can getting two argument, one argument like movie ticket request. Okay, movie ticket request like movie ticket or request, we have simply like request. Okay, then we have to close this bracket. Okay, then it will be, we have closing this also, so we can better viewing experience. Okay guys, then we have to get request from the our front end. So firstly we have getting the request dot get ticket info, and we have saving at the one variable. Okay, we have getting ticket info. After getting ticket info, we have saving the ticket info in our repository. So firstly we have saving the ticket info repository. Why this it is happening? Ticket info repository, ticket info repository dot save and ticket info, and we have saving in this, and we have returning the ticket info. We have is equal to ticket info. We have written the ticket info. Okay, this will be saved guys. Then we have to create one method for the checking the payment will be happened or not. So firstly we have getting the payment info, request dot get payment info, and saving in the variable one variable payment info, and after that we have creating one method for the payment will happen or not. So firstly we have create one utility class basically. So inside the utility class we have creating utility class like payment info validate payment info. Okay, so not enum, we have creating class like date. Okay, inside this we have creating one hash map. So you can understand the what is the basically we have to creating some static account, but real time scenario we have getting account from our bank server. So here we can create one static bank account. So we can private static map string double info is equal to new hash map okay. We have to import this okay. Then we have to creating like static, we have putting some account in our payment info. Then we have payment info dot put, and we have given account 1. Account 1 balance will be payment balance will be 1000 rupees point. Okay. Then we have 3 accounts here. So here 3 accounts, 2 account, 3 account. This account balance will be 500, and third account balance will be 2000. Okay. Then we have to create one method for the validate the payment, validate credit limit. So you can create like public static boolean date limit string account number, account number and paid amount. Okay. Double paid amount. Okay. Then we have to validate the if paid amount is greater than payment info map dot get account number, and if it will be greater than, it will be payment will be not happen. Then we have returning the false. Okay. Then else return true. Okay guys, then it will be condition guys, it will be condition, if will be payment amount, paid amount will be greater than account will be paid amount will be 2000, then account will be 1000, then it will be returning false, and it will be if their condition will not satisfied, then it will be returning true. Okay. Then we have to mention like this here. So here we can create like returning like here we can setting like payment, it will like validate payment info dot validate credit limit. Here you can give the account number like payment info dot get account number. Okay. And second argument will be that amount. So payment info dot get amount. Okay guys. Ticket price. Okay. Then ticket price we have getting from the ticket info object dot get ticket price. Okay. Ticket price. Okay. Then it will be validate the which condition will be satisfied or not. Okay. Then we have to return getting some error or anything. So we can defining like here. So firstly here you can making some changes. Here you can if amount will be not means condition will be not satisfied, then we have return throw an error, throw new sufficient balance error. and here we can give the balance. Okay, Next network. Okay, this is exception class, guys. Then we have not created. We have created this class, create class in the exception package, guys. So we can create the exception. Okay, exception we created, and that we have extend like runtime exception. And here we can create the one method. So we have created constructor of that, like source constructor using field. Here we can create the constructor using Drupal class. Okay, guys, and we have deselect all and create the constructor. Okay, we are passing some message. Okay, this is our constructor class, guys, inspection balance, and here we can see the message. Okay, then we have to validate some. Our code is almost completed, guys. Then we have to setting the if payment will be successful, then we have to setting the some values in the payment info. Then payment info dot set ticket ID. Ticket ID will be at ticket info dot get ID. Okay, then we have to payment info dot set amount like ticket info dot get ticket price. Okay, then we have to save the our payment info. Then we have to payment info repo dot save like payment info. Okay, and then we have to return the success message. Okay, return new movie ticket acknowledgement. Okay, success. Then total fare will be that ticket info dot get ticket price, and we have to setting like some random number to the our PRN number, like random number. So we can write like UUID dot random UUID dot to string dot split like here, like this, and lastly we have giving the object of ticket info. Okay, then we have giving the semicolon here. So what is the error here showing? Okay, here we can one mistake, guys. We have to define our here. This is ticket total fare will be in double. Okay, then we have to writing some another logic here, so we can total fare is in double, so we can constructor using fields source generate getter setters source generate to string. Okay, guys, we have to saving this. See, guys, our it will be gone. Okay, then what is the error it's showing? Here the error insert payment info, get account number method is there. So what is the error is showing? Account number method is there, so error is okay guys. Our payment also saved guys. Then we have to success message guys. Then we have to close all these things, all these classes, and we have to check that our project is working or not. So firstly we have create our run our project in debug mode. If any error comes, we have to debug that error. Okay guys, then we have to making like this. We have to validate which error we have facing. So simultaneously we have opening our okay, here were one error like MySQL dilate. Okay, then we have to validate that which error we have facing. Okay, then here we can see that we have some any configuration class error. Okay, we have one typo mistake here, so we can save this and run again. So we can see that what is error we have getting or not. So guys, we have getting one error also. Cannot instantiate generator. Okay, so we can see that here we can seeing that driver claim not accept JDBC URL. Okay, then we have guys, we have another mistake. We have missed the JDBC here. Okay, then we have written our project. Okay, we have getting one error. Okay, we have found another one typo mistake. Here we have generator. Okay, some typo mistake guys, so we can run our project. Project is running guys, so see what happening. See guys, application is running fine and our table is also created guys. So we can verify our database table is created or not. See guys, our table is created, payment info and our ticket info. Okay, then we have to create one controller layer. Inside controller layer we have create one controller mapping. Okay guys, then we have to create like public movie acknowledgement book ticket, and here we can give the @request body movie ticket request. Okay, then here we can give the return service dot book movie ticket, and here you can give the request. Okay, and then here you can give the post mapping movie ticket. Okay, then we have to create this request in our postman. Okay, firstly we have import this. Return this, and we have create one method inside our postman. So we have creating one new method here, method like This is post method, guys. Then we have to use writing like http local host 8080 slash book movie ticket. For JSON, guys, I have already created one JSON, so we can try this. This JSON I already created, guys. This is basically TTO object. TTO object in two object is basically, so one ticket info and another will be payment info. So we can test this. So our application is running, guys. So our application is port dated, so we can hit the endpoint. Okay, so we can see that what's happening. We have giving the 5000 means wrong amount. So we can see that we have getting the internal server error. So we can see that what is the error we have getting. Firstly, okay, we have getting insufficient balance, means our balance will be insufficient. So in ideal scenario, we have not saving the any information in our database. So currently we have not saving in the any information. See, guys, the ticket info will be saved. So why ticket info will be saved? We have not saving the ticket info, so we can use the transaction annotation. So firstly, we can use the transaction annotation. So inside the main class, we have using transaction annotation. Enable transaction management. Okay, and inside service layer, we have giving the annotation like, at a method level, we have given annotation like transactional. Okay, then we have written our project, and for understanding, we have dropping the our truncate the table. Payment info we have truncating, and ticket info we have also truncate the table. Okay, two table is empty, guys. Then we have to see that what happened. We have, if we have hitting our wrong, means insufficient balance request. So we can see that our application is running. So we can say hitting the same request. In account 1, in account 3 we have basically, in account 3 we have basically 2000 rupees, but we have hitting as a 5000 rupees. So it will be getting one error like insufficient balance. So we have hitting this. Okay, internal server error, we have getting like insufficient balance error. Insufficient balance. So we can, ideal scenario, we have not saving any record in our database. So you can see that we have not saving in the database, insert record in the database, because that we have using the transaction annotation. If we have with the giving the valid scenario, means we have given the 500 rupees instead of 5000 rupees. So we are hitting this. So ticket will be created, and payment info and account info, two information will be saved. Okay, guys, that's all, guys. This is transaction management, guys. Inside transaction management, two annotation is very important, guys. Inside our service layer, we have giving annotation like address transaction, and inside our main class we have giving the annotation like address transaction, guys. I hope you have understand the concept of what is the transaction management in our Spring Boot, guys. Okay, guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and please bell icon. Thank you, guys. Bye.